Now, the fourth key to advertising success is the emotionally engaging creative message. We've met lots of people over the years that had lots of money and a willingness to stick with it and could buy lots of reach and frequency. But they often got tripped up because the message was off the mark. They basically started out buying advertising without branding their business. We call that method spray and pray. We spray ads out there and we pray that something good's going to happen. And most of the time, people are very frustrated. This is why we want to write a radio script for you. Now, when most local ads start to be developed, they begin with things like, we're locally owned and operated. We service what we sell. We've been in business for 35 years. We have the area's largest selection. Now, those are all fine characteristics for a business. They may be the very reason to pick your business over somebody else, but it's the way that that message is delivered that makes it very ineffective. Because consumers don't care about you. They don't care about anybody but themselves. We're always thinking about ourselves, so we have to put the consumer in the commercial. They have to be in the driver's seat of our commercial. So instead of the word we want to use a much more powerful word, the most effective and emotionally engaging word in all of advertising, and that is the word you. Because when we say the word you early and often in a commercial, it's almost like saying, hey you, we want to talk to you. And then if we talk about something that people think about that's called a felt need in the world of marketing, then we can really pull them in. Now, a felt need is something that we think about all the time. You know, we have a child care center here on the front row. If you have children, they're the most important thing in your life. You're always thinking about their well-being, whether they have good health care, whether they have good child care, whether they're going to get a good education, are they going to have the tools necessary in life to be successful. If you own a home, there's probably something about your home you'd like to change or improve. So I'm going to give you an example of an ad for a remodeling company, and maybe this will drive home the point. You love your home. You're proud of your home. You've worked hard to make your home a safe and comfortable place for your family. But you want a new bathroom. You want a bathroom with more light. You want a bathroom with more space. You want a bathroom that makes you feel warm and comfortable at night. You don't know how to get started. You don't know how long it's going to take. You don't know how much it's going to cost, and you don't know who you can trust. You need to call the bathroom remodeling experts at the Builder Bees, because the Builder Bees will take your bathroom dreams and build you the bathroom that you've always wanted. Now, the Builder Bees is a real company, and they liked that initially, but they were still hesitant because we didn't say that they were locally owned and operated. We didn't say that they'd been in business for 35 years, and it was important to them because Granddad did it, Dad did it, and so they were going to do it. We rewrote that part of the script to go like this. If working with a locally owned and operated company that has more than 35 years of experience is important to you, then call the Builder Bees today. You see, that might sound a little too simple, might sound too subtle to be believable, but it's very powerful. Now that you are aware of this script writing technique, you're going to start to recognize it. You'll see and hear advertising everywhere that's really based on the use of the word you. You'll hear a lot of we've been in business and we serve it, and you're going to see the difference. That's why we want to have an opportunity to write a radio script for you, because we want to use some basic information. We'll probably follow it up with another meeting, but when we can take what's important about your business and convert it into a message that places the customer in the driver's seat of that advertisement, we're going to have a much better ability to emotionally engage them to where they'll place your business information into their long-term memory. You will be known before you are needed, and that, my friends, is advertising success.